How does our closing cost assistance program works? Mortgage companies make money selling interest rate. Our product is interest. So the higher we sell the interest rate, the more money we make. If you pay, say, a 4% interest rate versus a 3% interest rate, there will be a lot more money to be made on that loan from the perspective of a mortgage company. Our company, Bluecastle Lending, is set up in a very different way. We make the same exact amount of money regardless of the interest rate you pay. So if you pay 3%, we're going to make the exact same amount of money than if you pay 4%. It doesn't matter what your interest rate is, whether it's 2, 3, 4, or 5, which lender we set it, we give the loan to, whether you do an FHA or VA or conventional loan, or no matter what type of loan, we always make the same exact percentage. What happens if we sell the interest rate at 4% instead of 3%? There will be a higher profit on the loan, but instead of us keeping that money, we give that money to you in the form of a commission. We can give you up to 3.5% of the loan amount. So on a $400,000 loan amount, times 3.5%, we can give you $14,000 in the form of a credit at closing by selling you the interest rate. Just usually it's a 1%, 1 and 1/8 higher than the regular rate. So you could do a 2.875, for example, and get no money, or you could do a 4% and get $14,000. At your choice. You don't have to use or select the program. When we first do the pre-qualification, you're going to have to select that once you are under contract and we're ready to lock the loan. What we're going to do is we're going to call you, and we're going to present the financial options for you, and according to your financial goals is what you will decide what to do, whether go for the 2.875 or 2.75 and or whatever the rate may be at the time, or go with the closing cost assistance. In addition to that credit that or commission that you will get if you choose the higher rate, we don't charge you an origination fee. And an origination fee, it's a fee the banks charge to do your loan. Normally, it's 1% to sometimes even 2% of the loan amount. So 1% of a $400,000 loan is $4,000. Most government loans do have that origination fee. Some conventional loans do too. So we don't charge you an origination fee. That origination fee, it's set up so if you do any Freddie Mac, Fannie Mae, Ginnie Mae loan, also in other words FHA, VA, or conventional loan, you will not have that origination fee. And lastly, the underwriting fee is included in the rate, so you don't have to pay that out of pocket. What's the underwriting fee? Is the fee that the underwriter charges to underwrite your loan. And how much is that fee? Usually anywhere between $1,000 to $1,500. You will not have to pay that on purchases. So when you add on no underwriting fee, say $1,000, no origination fee, say $4,000, and you get a lender credit for $14,000. You do 14 plus 4 plus 1, that is $19,000 that you wouldn't have to come up on closing date to buy the house, which allows you to buy the house with half the money you're going to need basically anywhere else. Most companies are set up that the interest rate, the higher the interest rate, the more they make. So that will be the case under most, with most lenders, with most scenarios. With us, you can take the advantage of taking the credit, the commission at closing. The options will be presented to you. You will get to choose what's better for you when we're ready to lock the rate.